In this video, we would like to introduce the mounting bracket for the picoScan100 series. The mounting bracket can be used for stationary mounting and mounting on mobile applications, both indoors and out. The scope of delivery includes 1 mounting bracket and 5 screws for mounting the sensor. For more information about the mounting bracket, scan the QR code on the packaging. In addition to the scope of delivery, the sensor, the screws for wall mounting, and the corresponding tools are required. The sensor must be mounted on the mounting bracket. First, check the alignment of the system connector. To do this, use the sensor screw mounting tool and tighten the screws of the system connector. Slide the sensor onto the bracket and fasten it from below using the 3 M4 screws supplied. The tightening torque is maximum 2.5 Newton meters. Please note that only the screws supplied may be used, otherwise the device may be damaged. For high shock and vibration, we recommend mounting the sensor from the rear using the 2 additional fixing points. The bracket can be used for wall mounting. In our example, we mount the bracket on an item profile instead of a wall. Only the outer mounting holes are used for this. These holes are designed as slotted holes to adjust the horizontal mounting. They should therefore not yet be tightened in this step. Now align the sensor according to the specific recommendations in the operating instructions. The screws for the wall mounting can now be firmly tightened. The sensor is now securely attached to the picoScan100 mounting bracket.